it's been a minute. I haven't done this in a very long time, and today I want to change that. So my friend and I are planning to go for a photo shoot tomorrow, and I wanted to try on the dresses here and show you what it looks like, and then we'll take you along tomorrow, if you don't mind, take you to the location, shoot a couple of videos and take photos. So let me bring my friend so that we can show you what the dresses look like. So guys, here is my friend, and we're still doing some finishing touches on her dress. I made some chains to tie up on the slits, so I'm going to do that as she introduces herself. You get to know her.
Hi guys. I am a good friend. I am amazing.
You are amazing, Sarah.
And I am wearing Miona crochet. Miona designs. Na mnipigie kura come 2027. Vote for me. My dress is being fixed by the one and only Miona. Ebu we nione, see through the lens. See through the lens. Ivo uniambe, Ivo venye iko tumefunga side moja, ama tuweke kamba tu sa side zote. Hivi.
Unajua hiyo inaonekana sana.
Oh, kuliko huku.
Huku hata mtu.
Na huku chini umefinya. Ungeacha ioneshe. Hiyo space nimesema.
Ni juu ya hiyo.
Nimesema nataka hiyo space kwa.
Hivyo venye iko. Hii side hii na overpower huku.
Haya basi tuweke.
Hiyo ina end up ku stand up zaidi.
Okay, so tuweke both sides, and then that space, please.
Ikuwe kubwa.
It is important.
Okay.
Wacha nipande hapa juu. As you can see, this space ni kidogo. Like we can see the blank space, baby. It's too small. So we are going to expand the spaces and then fix the other side to get the final look.
I'm done fixing the dress and I think it looks so good. Let me show you from the side. There it goes. I think it looks so cute. Yes, and the bag too. So that's what we'll be wearing tomorrow. She'll be carrying that bag. I'll be carrying this. I just need to add the zippers on both of the bags and we'll be good to go for tomorrow's photo shoot.
Yes.
And I forgot to mention, we'll be pairing the outfits with this. These are the shoes I'll be wearing. She'll be wearing those. And just in case you are wondering, I crocheted this dress and this I made on the central knitting machine. So I think we're now complete. So see you tomorrow. Bye for now.
So guys, we are here at the venue. We are here to take some photos and a bit of videos. Yes, this is a very nice place. I hope you love it like we do. Yes.